Hello all. Just now we have learned about from how we can requirements we have developed this Simulink model for the elevator. Now we can see how does it function and how does it satisfy to our requirements. So for your information, I just want to say you when we have changed this simulation time, that I am explaining a logic to the 15, 15, 15. Now I have moved to the 5 second where I observed the 15 seconds is much more time of the delay to look at here on the simulation part. Okay, so I'll simulate now. So when I'll simulate, you can see first it will compile. Now it's in a simulation mode. So my main switch is off. So nothing is on now. So to make this thing on, I need to turn on this switch. So you can see now it's become a green. Fine. And now doors are everything is like doors are open. So that means it's in a green. That means door is open at the 0 floor and door is closed now. Fine. So now if I want to move to some from 0 to second floor, how can I move? I'll select second floor here through the slider. Okay. And current is completely 2. Fine. And I'll push the button here. You can see for the time being, it will become a 0 to 1, this button. And you can see after 5 seconds, I have moved there. Now my door is closed. Okay. For 8 seconds, I think after that, it will close there. Door will close there. Now, if I want to come here at the first floor, okay. Or else here I need to be make sure for this constant it should select one properly. Fine. Or else I'll show you here. If I'm again second to 0, if I'm coming here, okay. So I'll push the button from second to 0, it will come down. Okay. And for 0, door is open. Floor, you can see the floor it is showing here. Okay. And it will stop for this sometime. Fine. Now I'll just stop this simulation. Okay. And to move this constant, to make this constant little bit visible for us. Okay. So now what I'll do that this thing is like, I'll make this as 1. Apply. Okay. Fine. So if I have moved this slider, you can see, okay. So we selected this. Okay. Sorry. It is selecting this. Fine. So I'll simulate this model. Okay. One more time. Now you can see it's on a first floor. Okay. So this slider is having very minor values also. So it is starting from 0. It is having 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4 till that 1, then 1 to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 till 2 it is having some values. So when I am moving in between that, it was not fixing there at correctly at 1. So that's why I have maximized this switch. Now from first to second floor, if we want to go, I'll click here at the top. You can see if I click here in between, I'm getting some friction values. Values are having with some decimal, but on for these values, it should not work in the proper way. So I am selecting this thing here to as a second. Fine. And I'll push the button now for this. So now you can see how this lift is moved from first to second floor. You can see here the transitions, how the transitions are happening in the state. Okay. So you can see the transitions, how these transitions are happening in the state. Fine. You can see we have already discussed this thing. It will move in this way. Fine. Now if I want to come from second to 0, I'll press here and I'll push the button. Now, if we will come inside it, you can see here, it came to here at a 0 floor selected where now it will, after 5 seconds, it will move here. Then after 8 seconds, it will come here. Door will close. Then 2 seconds, it will come here. And again, wait for the floor selection. So in this way, this simulation will work for the elevators. Okay. Now, if I will change to the floor 1, but to make this exactly floor 1, it's little bit difficult for me here. So for that, I'll double click here. I'll type 1 here and I'll make it to the apply. And okay. In the running simulation, I'll do this thing because this constant is connected to this slider, and I'll push the button. From 0 to 1, I'm going. You can see here it will go from, now it's 1 mode is selected, okay, where level 1, and it is moving here, and it will go here to here. Fine. So in this way, the elevator will functionality will work as per our all requirements. I have tried to implemented this model. So this is all about this elevator. Okay. Thank you.